In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving email. If messages aren't showing up, don't worry, we'll move through the most common causes and quick fixes, from simple checks to deeper settings. Start by signing in and taking a careful look at your spam and trash folders. Sometimes legitimate messages are routed there by mistake. If you find one, move it back to your inbox and mark it as not spam so Yahoo learns your preference. It helps to search for the sender's address as well, in case the message landed somewhere unexpected. Next, review your filters. Filters can automatically redirect, file, or delete messages without you noticing. Open Settings, go to More Settings, then Filters. Look for any rules that might catch broad terms or specific senders you care about. Edit, disable, or remove anything that could be sending mail to another folder or deleting it on arrival. Check your storage quota. If your mailbox is full or nearly full, new emails may bounce. In Yahoo Mail on the web, you'll see a storage meter. If it's high, clear space by deleting large, old emails, especially those with big attachments, and be sure to empty spam and trash afterward to actually free up space. If you routinely hit the limit, consider upgrading your storage. Confirm your reply to address and block senders. In Settings, review your mailboxes and make sure the reply to field is correct and not pointing somewhere else. Then visit the blocked addresses list and remove any important contacts that were added by mistake so their messages can reach you. If you're using Yahoo on a browser or the mobile app, clear the cache to fix loading or sync issues. On a browser, clear cache images and files, then reload Yahoo Mail. On mobile, clear the app cache from your device settings and reopen the app. This won't delete your mail, but it can refresh stuck data. Check forwarding settings. If forwarding is turned on to another address, new mail might skip your inbox entirely. Make sure forwarding is off, or that the destination address is correct, and decide whether to keep a copy in your Yahoo inbox. Temporarily disable ad blockers or browser extensions that may interfere with Yahoo Mail elements loading. You can also test in a private window or another browser to isolate the issue. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, or reset your password to refresh your account connection. Finally, if none of these steps resolve it, contact Yahoo support. Have details ready: approximate times, senders, and any error messages. You can also explore reputable backup or recovery tools designed for Yahoo Mail to assist with troubleshooting and data safety.